Hello, in this video I'll share how to prepare okra and plantain porridge or pottage. This recipe was inspired by this photo that Grace sent to me on Facebook. Once I saw okra, smoked fish and possibly palm oil. I knew it's something I would like, so I prepared it and it was delicious. Here are the ingredients you will need. Red palm oil, smoked mackerel or smoked Titus. I have a video of how to make it. Spinach, if you're in Nigeria, use ugu. Unripe plantains, habanero pepper, okra, red onion and stock cube. Wash and dry the unripe plantains. If you don't wash it, when you're peeling it, the dirt from the skin will transfer to the plantains. Not good. Then peel. Make a cross along the plantain and cut across. Debone the smoked fish and break into pieces. I like fish head, but I don't use the head of smoked fish. Make one cut along the okra and cut across till you get to the stalk. Cut the leafy vegetable, the onion and the habanero peppers. Everything ready, put the plantain in a clean pot. Add the smoked fish. Add the stock cube. The onions. And pour water to just under the level of the contents of the pot. Add palm oil and start cooking on high heat. Note when it boils and leave it to boil for 10 to 15 more minutes or till some porridge starts to form. Add the okra and the habanero pepper and cook for 1 minute. Add salt and the leafy vegetables. Stir very well and take it off the stove. The heat in the pot is enough to cook the vegetables. Serve with a chilled drink. Yum! Now your turn. Go and prepare this and send me some feedback. Bye bye. See you soon.